Oh, I don't know what that meant. Maybe somebody who hates graffiti people, graffiti artists. Got honked at. Maybe it's telling me I'm trespassing. I don't know. Hey everyone, Mike Carpenter here. I returned to the Pasco train yard. I'm looking for graffiti writing today, again. And it's pretty exciting. How I'm coming down here. One of my subscribers, Don Trump, he pointed out this week that what I'm doing looking at these trains is called benching. I've also learned quite a few other terminology this week, which has been very useful in understanding what I'm seeing and explaining what I'm seeing and so on. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I know we're going to find something exciting because we always do, and I will... Okay. So right here we have this graffiti writing, and the idea, as I understand it, is to try to figure out what it says. Right here we might have like an O, might have a D. I'm not really sure. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have to go home and look at these things on a screen and then try to decipher what they say and Google it. And what I'll probably do is I'll probably take and put like an inline comment at the bottom of some of these cars that we're looking at. And then you can put in the comments if you think that I'm getting these names right. I like that right there. I'd like to go down closer, but I see I've got a truck or a car or something coming. Might be security. Okay. Then we have like this is like well, it's like the entire car there. Oh, I like this. So mainly this graffiti we're looking at, this graffiti art is it is words, but I do like it when we get like the occasional picture or image or whatever you want to whatever you want to call it. I like. Oh, look at that, man! I'm seeing some good stuff today. And then also the marking you see on the train right there, that BNSF, that's called a report marking. And I will include a link in the description, but you can actually take and enter that number on this website, and it will tell you what kind of a freight car you're looking at, and other information. So this is like the same style here as that. I don't know if it's like all one word, all one artist, or if they've got like two different names, not really sure. Okay, we're gonna go down here further. That one looks pretty old. It's faded. Okay, so we've got one on the move here. Wow. Hopefully they'll park it further down. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so here we are. So this is great. I have like a front row seat. I'm gonna have to probably cut portions of this out when I edit it. Ooh, look at that. Almost. Oh, here we go. This is the one I wanted to see. Whoa. Here's some more coming up. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Oh, damn, I like that. You know, so looking down behind me here, there's a whole bunch of tankers coming. Some more graffiti coming. There we go. Oh, that's pretty, wow. It's pretty worn out. So, my impression is that people who watch these graffiti, these benching videos that I've been making, I think that I've got some different skill levels. People like me who are like pretty much just beginners, and then I have a feeling that there might be people who watch these who are very knowledgeable and want to either, I think, identify or see graffiti writers that they know, maybe personally, or that they admire, and it's kind of like I don't know, maybe it's like bird watching. I'm very good at identifying birds. I can identify, for instance, like all 5 species of falcons in North America, and I get quite a bit of pride and pleasure out of having that kind of knowledge. And I don't know, I sense maybe some of these really advanced and knowledgeable benchers, I assume that's what they could be called, would know and like and really just get something out of doing what I'm doing right here. And they probably can look at my videos. Hopefully they can see stuff that is familiar to them. And I know I'm just rambling, but this I'm very taken by these some of the stuff we've seen. But now we've got a whole bunch of these tanker cars again. So probably a lot of this will be edited out. I think we've got some more of those box cars or whatever they are coming. Some pretty old stuff there. Very weathered. Oh, that's good. Wow. Oh, no, I think we may have seen that right there earlier. That was very new. I think it's the same rider. It's kind of interesting there. I don't know how long this is. Oh, I like that right there. Ooh. So one good thing about this is that it saved me a lot of walking and jumping out of the car. All right, that's the end of that. That was great. Well, and then right as it ends, we've got some more here. I'm gonna go in there and really take a closer look right in this section right here. Okay, so this is as close as I am to the track. I don't know really what defines trespassing. But at the same time, I don't want to get too close to these tracks. Wow, did you hear that? When the engine starts pulling these things, you get like this slamming effect from car to car, and it just echoes on down the line. It's very loud. So, if you know that one, put in the comments. If you're familiar, seen it before, seen that particular rider. Hear that? Goes again. Oh, I don't know what that meant. Maybe somebody who hates graffiti people, graffiti artists. Got honked at. Maybe it's telling me I'm trespassing. I don't know. I want to see that one down there, but I did get honked at, so I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's a graffiti admirer. Who knows? Problem honking your horn is that it's really hard to decipher if it's friendly or somebody who's pissed off, doesn't like what you're doing. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna stop here and get back in the car and keep going. Okay, now that one looks... Oh, here we go. Hold on. Okay, so this one right here looks familiar. I think we've seen that one now twice. It has the it has like that weird green I don't want to call it it almost reminds me of like a frog or something. Anyway, okay, we're gonna move on. Okay, there is that snowman we saw earlier. Okay, so this is the string of cars we saw earlier, and I am going to try to just maybe get some close-ups here because they went by really fast. Okay, so I don't really want to repeat any of these, but it's kind of hard. I'm having a hard time remembering what I see because I've seen so much. That one is can't read. I can read the ASIC. I suppose it's related to the other two words on the left and the right. Here's another one. I can't remember if I've seen this one yet today or not. Once again, like I said, I'm just gonna take a look at it here, just in case. Well, yeah, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's really muddy out here today. My wife, she's not gonna be too happy. I was going down a side track that kind of goes to a building. I don't know what the building is. Anyway, I saw this graffiti right here. It's this graffiti writing. It's pretty old. I haven't noticed it before. I've been down here and there's always cars parked, so this one must be new, I suppose. Okay, here's a little bit more. Rainy days. Okay, so it's getting pretty hard to find graffiti. I went to the other end of the train yard. There's mainly just a lot of flatbeds. And I came to this company here. They've got all these freight cars. Maybe they're refrigerator cars. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. Parked here. You get a first-hand view of the graffiti. Kind of see how it's done. Further down here, it's pretty good here. Wow. I can't go down there. And loading the trucks. Okay, so that place we were just at was the Easter Day Farms, and they were loading onions in that that car on that loading dock. All right, well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. I thought we saw some pretty great stuff today. I was quite happy, and I look forward to coming back down here again in the near future. If you liked it, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, share, and I will see you next time.